Dallas Tower, friendly 2457 with you. It's on the localizer 19 left.
Friendly 2457 Dallas Tower. On the top 340, 3 mile final, caution turbulence, wind 2007, runway 19 left, clear to land.
Land 19 left, 2457.
Friendly 2307, exit Kilo 2, taxi at Kilo Hotel Bravo. Friendly 2307, contact Ram Tower 119 or port 12. Friendly 2457, traffic hold in position.
457 knots.
Land Dallas Tower, this is like what?
Listen at 81 Dallas Tower.
Roger, sir. Currently about 8 miles to the east of you, and I'll be transitioning out to the northwest back toward Hagerstown.
Last net 81, clearing Dallas South Bravo airspace, Dallas altimeter 3040, say altitude.
Roger, license 81's at 1,200.
Last net 81, radar contact 1 mile northwest of Wolf Trap. Maintain VFR at below 1,500.
License 81, Wilco.
Citation 354 is Charlie Dallas Tower 119 at 6, runway 19 left.